Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn in an assignment on turnitin.com. First thing you're going to do is you're going to sign in to turnitin.com or create an account if you don't have one. It is super easy. The next thing you're going to do, on the top, you'll see enroll in a class, and then you're going to click on that. And then you'll put in your section ID. 2630. And then for your enrollment key, it is super case sensitive, so be super careful when you put it in. Otherwise, it will not let you in your class. And then you'll click submit. And then you'll see at Milton High School that I am in Miss Kohanim's class. Oh, don't click on their name. That just makes an email. And then you'll click on our class. And then to submit oh my goodness. To submit a paper, you'll click the submit button. And then you'll do your title as whatever you need. I'm just going to do some random letters. And then you're going to choose from this computer. And then you can put in your assignment. And then you click upload. And then it will show you, once you click upload, it will want you to confirm that everything's okay. It will give you all of this information. And then you would click confirm, and an email should be sent to you telling you that it is submitted. And then later on, it'll show you how much is plagiarized, and it'll get to your teacher. All right, have a great day.